Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills, and the topic for today's discussion is suspecting everyone in your organization. Ladies and gentlemen, as a senior, as a superior, it is your responsibility to take care of your team, and if you are the owner of the organization or holding a higher designation inside the organization, it is again your responsibility to see that everything works appropriately inside your company. You must have people managing skills. You must try to understand that what problems your teammates, your juniors, your colleagues are facing, and then you should try to sort out those problems in a systematic manner. Only then you can establish your reputation as a good superior, as a good senior, as a good manager. But opposite to this, there are certain people, there are certain managers, seniors and superiors who are always insecure, who always believe that their juniors, their colleagues and everybody else inside the organization is working against them. Everybody else inside the organization is framing policies against them, making plans against them. They feel that every other employee of the organization, he wants that the manager should leave the organization. Anyhow, he should leave his position. And such managers, such superiors, they are always suspecting everyone inside the organization. In their opinion, nobody is their friend, everybody is their enemy. Every other employee of every other department is their enemy. This is their mentality, this is their way of thinking. And there are many such people like this who are holding great designations, who are holding good designations inside the organization, but still their mentality is absolutely bad. Every time they have this idea in their mind that yes, there is something inside the organization which is going against me. If some person brings some kind of request to them, some of their employees, they bring some kind of request towards them, they see that request also in a suspicious manner. Why this person is making such kind of request? Is he doing anything against me? If I approve this thing, will it go against me? Are these employees planning to do something against me and they need my approval for that? Ladies and gentlemen, there are many such managers, senior superiors, people holding great designations who are having such kind of bad mentality. And there is a very logical reason behind such kind of mentality, and that logical reason is their own lack of knowledge. The person who has reached a higher designation by his hard work and dedication, by experiencing different types of scenarios in his life, he knows what is the value of holding a higher designation and how appropriately he should manage his organization. But the person who has not done anything in his life, who has not done any kind of hard work, just by some kind of approach, just by some kind of because he was having good relationship with someone inside the organization, and because of that he got a higher designation, not because of his own knowledge, not because of his own effort, not because of qualifying some kind of interview. He was known to someone and he got that higher designation without any effort, without any hard work, without any dedication, without any commitment. Such people, they are always fearful. They are always fearful who get certain position not by their own efforts but by somebody else's effort. They are always fearful that what will happen if I lose this designation, because if I lose this designation, in myself I am not capable enough to get this designation again ever in my life. Someone got me here, that's fine, now I am holding a higher position, a senior position, but if I talk about my personal qualities, my personal intelligence, my personal knowledge, I am absolutely not capable of getting this type of position by my own independent efforts. It is not possible for me. So such people who are having less confidence in themselves, who are having less confidence about their own knowledge, They are always fearful that they will lose their designation. And out of this fear, whenever something wrong happens inside the organization, they start blaming the rest of the employees. And since they are fearful, they are always suspecting every employee of the organization that yes, this person is working against me, this person is working against me, this person is bringing some request to me. There is definitely, he is doing something wrong against me. If I approve this request, it will backfire. I will lose everything. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to work confidently, you must have knowledge. Knowledge is the only criteria of doing a task properly and fearlessly. Properly plus fearlessly. Of course, if you are knowledgeable, you will do a task perfectly and properly. But it is also necessary if you want to do a task without any fear, because when you are confident about a particular kind of task, you will do it in your own way. And since you have good knowledge, you know that what is right and what is wrong, what steps you should take and what steps you should not take. This thing is very much clear in your mind. And if you are knowledgeable and intelligent, doesn't matter what are the outside circumstances, you will always remain stable inside the organization. Doesn't matter what are the outside circumstances, you will always remain stable inside the organization. And it is a part of corporate life. And why corporate life? It is a part of every type of job life that people work against each other. People try to defame each other. People try to take positions of each other. So even if due to some reason, due to some wrong reason, I will say, somebody takes away your position, somebody throws you out of your job, somebody takes away your designation, still you are confident that no problem, because of some illogical reason I lost this position, I lost this job, still I am confident enough about myself that I will gain the same designation and same type of job within few days, because I am not dependent upon the organization where I am working. I am totally dependent on my own personal knowledge. If one organization fires me, there are many other opportunities available for me in the market. And I am confident about my knowledge that wherever I go, I will qualify the interview within first go. This should be the level of your confidence on your own self, on your own knowledge. Ladies and gentlemen, knowledge is everything. There is nothing bigger than knowledge. Nothing will ever be bigger than knowledge. Knowledge is everything. So that's why always remember this thing. Only those people are fearful who are having no knowledge. Only those people are fearful who got a particular position because of somebody's help, and themselves they are not capable of holding that position. They are not even capable of qualifying the interview for that position. That's why always be knowledgeable. If you are more knowledgeable, you will be less fearful. This is the fact of life. That's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel, ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.